See now in the external to bit B, that is what SOP and POS. See, SOP means sum of product, POS means product of sum. Already studied in theory classes in detail. So this is the one SOPs that is Y equal to ARB whole bracket and inside the bracket BRC. This is an what SOP, sum of product terms. We are showing how this is circuit diagram we drawn by using this SOP equations. We drawn this circuit diagram. And also we constructed the truth table. That is where the truth table is here. This is the truth table. So this SOP equations ARB get complete and BRC. This truth table we have been constructed here. This is the truth table for this SOP expression. So and also we constructed, this is the diagram, logic diagram. So this SOP equation logic diagram, two OR gates, one AND gate. Here I will connect according to this in this kit. One is input A. So A goes to the one of the input of the OR gate. And B is what? B is what? Another input of this same OR gate. And again that B comes to the second OR gate. Second OR gate input, that is here. C is comes to the second OR gate input. These two OR gate in outputs goes to, these two OR gate output goes to input of the AND gate. Input of the AND gate. Then number 6, second OR gate output that goes to the input of the AND gate inputs. Now AND gate output, it is an what? The pin number 3, AND gate output, it goes to the final output here. And now we can chart the VCC and ground. Pin number 7 is the what? Ground. 14 it is an what? VCC. 14 it is an what? VCC. And also same for what? AND gate. 14 is the what? VCC. And 7 is the what? The ground. 7 is the ground. Now we can verify this with the help of what? Truth table. Where is that truth table? Here it is the truth table. The A0 and B0 and C0. What is the output? Output it is in what? 0. Here see here. Switch on the power supply. Verify the output. Now we switch on the power supply. A0 and B0 and C0. A0, B0 and C0 output is 0. Okay. Next. A0, B0 and C is 1, output is 1. See here. A0, I see. This is where lose it. Correct. So this not be not good. Correct it for second gate is second Okay. 001. Right. Correct.
only one combination is not
Yeah.
showing correct. Right? So let us. I think there is some issue with the connection. I think the connecting wire is not connecting properly. So we'll see the output for all the input combinations. So right now it is 000. We're getting the output as 0. Let us make it as 001. Actually, for this combination, you should get the output as 1, but we are getting it as 0. Maybe there is some issue with the connection. We'll just try to rectify that later on. So for the other input, that is 010. The output is high, so we are getting the output as high. Now for the third one, we have 011. The output is 1. Correspondingly, we are getting the output as 1. For the input as 100, the output has to be 1. And for the second combination also, it's not showing correct. Right? So 101, the output is 1. It is showing correctly. Right? So 110, the output is 1. It is showing correctly. For the last, it is 111. The output is 1. So for the two combinations, we are not getting the correct results. That is 1, 0. It is 001. So I think there is some issue with the input batch code, or there may be. I think, see, this can be rectified. There is no issue. Actually, there is a connection problem. That's it.
Oh, very bad.
So the first equation, which was corresponding to the product of sums, we have verified. Now coming back to the second one, we need to make the connection corresponding to this expression, that is A dot B bar plus A bar dot B. That is nothing but it is actually XOR gate. So you know what is the output of XOR gate. So here we are getting the output as 011. Right? So you need one AND gate and two AND gates and two NOT gates and one OR gate. Right? So let us make the connection.
Circuit diagram. Here, what? This is the circuit diagram for this second equations. Y equal to A dot B bar or A bar dot B. So this one will do the connections. Okay.
AND gate and NOT gate and OR gate. 3.
First you have to insert AND gate. Next, NOT gate. CR7404 NOT gate. Then what? OR gate.
Sorry, 432.
Insert one.
742.
Okay. Now according to the circuit diagram, so input A. Okay. Here input A will be connected to the what? What is there? The input of the AND gate. This is NOT gate. This is AND gate. This is what? OR gate. The NOT gate, AND gate, OR gate. See, this is what we are connecting here. Here, this is the gate, AND gate. A is connected to directly input of the AND gate, and input B. Input B is connected to the what? Input B is connected to what? The input of the NOT gate. See here, this is the NOT gate input. So input of the NOT gate, and that NOT gate output is connected to where? The input of the this to input AND gate. This to input AND gate. This AND gate output goes to the what? The one of the input of the OR gate. Here one of the input of the OR gate. So next here it is on what? From the input A, it goes to the same. The input A goes to the one of the input of the NOT gate. One of the input of the NOT gate. That NOT gate output goes to the one of the input of this AND gate. This AND gate. So next another one is B comes directly. The input of the B comes directly to the input of the what?
AND gate.
Input of the AND gate. This AND gate output is
To OR gate.
input to the OR gate. This OR gate output is the final output. Here I will connect here. Now show the VCC and ground for all the gates. Pin number 7 is the what? Ground. Pin number 14 it is in what? VCC. To short all the gates. To short all the gates. Pin number Source 7 is the ground. Now the connection is almost it is completed. Now it is over. Now you can switch on the power supply and verify the truth table. So already sir said this is the truth table for these equations, two linear equations at POS. Y equal to A and B bar,
plus
A bar dot B. So this we have to verify this truth table using this. Then we have to prove the POS. Now switch on the power supply, verify the truth table.
It is not working. First start not yet into. And get it. Then the end. Do not get it. 7404 not get.
And get.
ಹಾಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಅನಿಸಿತ್ತು. Seven, 4, 3, 2.
Okay, correct. Not yet and yet all.
Zero 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 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 0. One combination is not correct. Right? Now it is correct. 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 1. 0 1 1 0 ಬರಬೇಕು 0 0 0 ಬರಬೇಕು 1 0 1 ಬರಬೇಕು 1 0 1 1 ಬರಬೇಕು 1 it is not showing correct. Explain. So you have first combination as 0 0. For 0 0 I should get the output as 0, but I am getting it as 1. For 0 1 I should get the output as 1. I am getting the output as 1. 1 0 I should get the output as 1. I am getting it as 1. For the last combination, that is 1 1, I should get the output as 0. So it is showing the reverse one. So that means there is some issue with the NOT gate, right? So 0 1 1 I should get it as 0. 0 0 I should get it as 0. For all the other combination, I should get it as 1. So for other combination, we are getting correct. But for the 0 0 input and 1 0 1 1 input, we are getting it as the reverse one. The problem with this. So we have verified the truth tables, right? So I think it requires again see there is some connection issue, I suppose. So 1 1 I should get it as 0, right? 0 0 I should get it as 1.